Hello, I'm Dipanshu. And today we know about PayPal. We're knowing about PayPal integration. uh, we know about PayPal checkouts, and there is how to PayPal checkouts and how to work. PayPal is normally integrated standard checkout to give your customer about payments buttons for PayPal payments and Venom's debit other payment. PayPal SDK supports There is PayPal SDK. This supports want to accept payments on a website, and our SDK handles displaying the button for PayPal and other payment methods. So customers can pay with whatever method they choose. They can also use a pre-built from the pay directly using credit or debits. Okay, and the JS script payload show up the global window like pop-ups so can access it anywhere in our app to render any component in the Java. This is the flow diagram. There is a merchant server this in their customer, a buyer checkouts the server, and in the merchant page, getting the merchant page, there is checkouts in PayPal buttons. Click on PayPal buttons by SDK and display PayPal buttons on the buyer pop-up screens. Display PayPal SDK generates a PayPal button display on a buyer screen, and so there is a buyer. Click PayPal button and start checkouts. Then API is gone. API is checkouts goes to SDK and tell us latest checkout on your browser pop-up browser. Turn on a pop-up browser and create an call order callback in their merchant server. Then merchant server create an order on the merchant server. Then buyer checkouts and creates the order. The PayPal in order to invoke APIs to access the PayPal order API and create an order created in the merchant server. Then we have getting the in there we have a PayPal account, developer account in order how to work. We have a in create an order APIs and so order APIs order updated and there is a get started. PayPal REST APIs. We have PayPal APIs are RESTs, authentication, auth, access tokens, and return the HTTP response codes encoded in JSON. And we can test use integrations with a PayPal in development accounts. There is a client. do we create an order buyer? How to create an order in this PayPal integrations? Use a client ID, creating for order ID and client secret on authentication API calls. A client ID identifies an app. You only need a client ID to get a PayPal payment. There is a how to get your client ID and client secrets. There is a dashboard, PayPal dashboard. We are logging to this dashboard, developer dashboard. We can create our log sign up or login. We can create our account in this space and select the app credentials. We can log in this space and select the app and credentials. There is new account come with default application and REST APIs app section. Okay, we are invoking the default account. This is default account. Invoke the REST APIs. Copy the client ID and secrets for your app. There is girl. How do we create an order? How to get order? Create an order. Order. Creating orders. So order details. Confirm the order. Capture the payment for order. So we are using the REST APIs. This is girl. We are using exchange our client ID and client secret for an access token. There is a type access token response getting token type barrier access token. This is access token we use in our APIs. There is curl command using directly import in the Postman app complete the following. So let's get this Postman. In this Postman we have this curl request. We this curl request there is need a client ID, client secret. This is client ID. This client getting in this. We are copying this and get the Postman. Import the curl. Please follow naming conventions. Proper naming conventions. PayPal OAuth 2 slash separate collection. Okay, there is a change to client ID and your client secret. From authorize, select the authorization tab. Select in the authorization tab, there is client ID and there is secret. So we have in a client ID in our developer account. There is this is a dummy account. We are copying this in this field, paste it, client secret. We are copying secret. This secret we can paste it here and then we can hit the send. Client authentication is failed via invalid client. Oh, there is no secret. We are copying this secret and paste and hit this. We get some tokens, access tokens, token types, bearer token types, and app IDs is there expiring 3 to 400 milliseconds. There is access tokens. We can use this access tokens in our order. In their username field, select the body tab. Okay, select the send and create a order response. Then we have creating an order. This creates an order merchant and partners. This is creating an order as merchant server as partner. Then API hits the PayPal orders API and order created. So how to order created? We see this. There is order API. There is a curl command. This is some JSON format data. So use in this command. We have this. We are copying this command and creating an order in Postman. We import this command in curl. Naming separate PayPal create orders in separate collections. We are import this. Okay, in creating orders, we are creating orders. There is somebody in JSON format. We have in body JSON. It's automatically getting a data in raw form. We are hitting this. So invalid token signature verification failed. There is invalid token. We are getting token in our authentication auth token. This is access token. This barrier type. So we have this copying this token and in create order we save this which is in auth. There is a barrier token type is barrier and We pasted our token and hit this. Okay, there is a purchase units in unprocessed entity. The request description. The shipping address is required when shipping preference set is provided. This there is a shipping address missing. Yes, shipping address is missing in there. We have a shipping address in no. There are no any shipping addresses. So we have an. So let's check. We are commenting this and hit no. We have an. There is content type paper request ID. We have deleted this authorizations. Send. Okay. Prayer auction required. We have created our order. This APIs get hits and created orders in merchant server getting and return order ID. So buyer on this merchant server get this ID and order ID merchant page getting this SDK and launch the browser pop-up on the proper checkouts. The launch the browser pop-ups in PayPal checkouts. And there is we have this as link browser pop-ups link pair actions required pair action required. We copying this and open the browser, paste in and select this. We have an there is client server and testing tools. We have send accounts. It's a dummy. There is a personal getting a details email and password. We copying this email and log into the account with this email. We have in this account our testing account. Then this is created, so we have put in 900. We have updating this account. 5,000 USD save changes. We have saved this changes. Okay, there is a PayPal pop-up. How's the this launch the login username and password in account and on shipping addresses we can determine complete checkouts order we can approve then complete purchases approve this order approving this order there is order we have captured in this payment order we payment done the payment is getting in deducted successfully but we are getting showing in order can click capturing this order include this your account paper order capture order there is a code in this is we have an body capture this order we have an this ID send it invalid token signature verification failed there is an we have some ID generated this in createOrder generate the ID where access required this ID we are copying this paste it here okay access token is required on there is ID this order ID is getting is where action required means payment is cleared our order is completed and purchase we have complete order and check also the on approval pop-ups on is there we have an approval of pop-ups yes we can show pop-ups so we have there deducted the credits yes we are successfully deductions we captured the order we have captured the order successfully and order and so on the pop-ups ID capture this ID. What ID capture? Yes, showing this order, verified, continue status, account status verified, giving any zones, detecting this zone, the account, phone number is there, and there is our order. Yes, our payment was completed to continuous order. Please return to the merchant. We are returning to the merchant. In this way. So we are done